the Iranian-flagged container ship Touska, which was boarded and seized by U.S. forces on Sunday, is likely to have what Washington deems dual-use items that could be used by Tehran's military. That's according to maritime security sources on Monday. The small container ship is part of the Islamic Republic of Iran Shipping Lines Group, which has been hit with U.S. sanctions. The U.S. Central Command said Touska's crew failed to comply with repeated warnings over a 6-hour period, and that the vessel was in violation of a U.S. blockade. The security sources, who declined to be identified, said their initial assessments were the vessel was likely to be carrying dual-use items after a voyage from Asia. U.S. Central Command has listed metals, pipes, and electronic components among other goods that could have a military as well as an industrial use and could be captured. One of the sources said Touska had previously transported items deemed as dual use. They did not go into detail. Iran's foreign ministry did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Iran's military said the ship had been traveling from China and accused the U.S. of armed piracy. According to state media on Monday, U.S. President Donald Trump said in a post on Truth Social on Sunday that the Touska was under U.S. sanctions due to its prior history of illegal activity. Iran is considering attending peace talks with the United States. In Pakistan, a senior Iranian official told Reuters on Monday, following moves by Islamabad to end the U.S. blockade of Iran's ports. However, the official stressed that no decision had been made, and Iran's foreign minister said that continued violations of the ceasefire by the U.S. are a major obstacle to continuing the diplomatic process.
आपकी और हमारी पहचान FM
जीवे पाकिस्तान।